Hello and welcome to video 1 in the Primo Piano Teaching series for the Grade 4 Trinity piece Timekeeper's Lament. This is the first video in the series, and in this video we'll be going through bars 1 to 15 in the right hand, basically the first page up until our tempo. So I'll just show you here. First page up until here in the right hand. So before we start, we'll look at the time signature and the key signature. So at the front it says 1 sharp, which means that it is F sharp, so it could either be G major or E minor. So we always look at the end of the piece and see where it ends. And right here, that is a very low E, right down at the bottom of the page. And it also starts with kind of like a fifth and a fourth. It's like an arpeggio in the left hand, E, B, E. So it kind of indicates that this whole piece is in E minor. Now, Timekeeper's Lament is from the video game Primal, and it has very kind of folk-esque, medieval type of references in the piece. So we're just going to start with, we don't play anything for the first 4 bars apart from that upbeat there. It's also in 4/4, which means that there are 4 beats in the bar. So we'll start with bar 4 and that upbeat. So just for reference, this is middle C. Okay, so you need to move your keyboards. That's middle C. And then we're starting on the B, which is next to high C. And what's really important is to get the fingering right on this bit. So we start on the B, and this is into bar 5. E, B, B. So I go 1, 2, 5, 5. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you hold that. And then bar 7, third finger. Don't forget that F sharp. And then back third finger on the F sharp. So that's that first phrase. So there. So should we do the, after the bar 6, and then third finger on the G. And then third finger on the F sharp, and then you hold this for, if you look here, you hold that B for 2.5 beats. So you've got the 2 beats here, and then you've got the tide mark onto that quaver, 2.5, and you've got another quaver which equals 3, 4. So 2.5 plus a half is 3, plus 1 is 4. So should we just do that opening phrase? So you start on the B, and then A, and then third finger, middle finger on the F sharp, 2 off, and then we're going into bars 8 to 9, so same again, but you have to change 5 to 3. Notice the fingering in the bar 9, 5, 3, so you can get that skip up to the D, that ledger line above here. So we're looking at this bit, so it's E, B, B, and then a skip up. Can you see there's 2 space notes? Skip up to D, but you have to use 5, 3, switch there, and then go up to 5. And then a step down to C. Okay, C. So this is 2 octaves higher. Switch and 4. And then you step down, this is bar 11. Step down to the B, but you have to do it with your little finger. 5, 4, 2, 1, 2. And then you hold that for 8 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that takes you to bar 13. And then in bars 14 and 15, you don't play any notes apart from the very end of 15, which is the upbeat into the next section. So we're just going to go through this second lot of 4 bars. So this whole kind of first page, you've got the opening like intro for 4 bars. You've then got the next phrase, which is bars 5 to 8, which is the next phrase, and then the next one is 9 to 12. So it goes in markers like that. So we're going to go from the second phrase, which is bar 9, so just the beat before that, the change, and then remember, instead of the 3, you go 5th finger on the B, so you have enough fingers to go down. 5, 4, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll do it again. Change. Then change to 5, 5, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're going to go from the upbeat of bar 4 now into 5. So it goes. And the 3rd finger, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, off. Change. 5th finger. Okay, do that a couple more times from the 4th bar into the 5th. 1, 2, 1, 2, then 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, off. Change. 5th finger on the B. 5, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. One more time from the into bar 5. And then 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, off. Change. Then 5th finger on the B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4.